from here. You lost an engine.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to trim for best glide.
So 172, Charlie Golf Bravo Sierra. This one is going to Woodstock, 3,000 feet, transitioning eastbound.
Hamburg traffic 6 uniform, simulated engine out runway 01. Hamburg about 2 miles to the west. Hey, what else?
Trimmed all the way up.
Okay, what else you gonna do?
Well, at this point, then I could do my engine out.
Restart.
Yeah.
Try to memorize. Start here.
Yeah.
Left, right.
Fuel is on.
No, left, right. Oh, left tank, right tank.
Okay.
Just ran out of gas, okay?
Just make sure we're still sliding.
Yeah, go. Alright, then go right over here. Fly the airplane first.
I am, but wait a minute. Why do I see the racetrack but not...
Wrong racetrack.
Yeah.
There.
There it is. Yep. I need to probably head towards it, right? Alright.
Yeah.
So left, right, mixture.
Throttle should be in. This should be out. Keep going.
Alright. Make sure the primer's locked.
Mag check.
Mags are both on.
In full strainer.
Okay, I'm not going to do that when we're...
Right, because if you had water, you could get rid of it, okay?
Yep.
Alright, now you're committed to land. What else can you do?
Communicate.
Communicate. Now what else can you do? What else you need to prep for landing?
Well, I'll tell you to buckle your seatbelt and
Make sure your seatbelt's tight. Okay.
if you have something put in front of you.
Okay, what else?
At the last second, we could pop the doors. We could pull the mixture so that the engine doesn't unexpectedly start on us.
Well, what you need to do is open your doors.
Yeah.
Okay. You should turn electrical off before you land at last minute as long as you don't need to talk to anybody.
Are you saying to land on 1-9?
Yeah.
Okay, because we're pretty much in a pattern right now.
Alright, but we're pretty ways out. Far out.
So I'm going to turn in,
Okay.
but I'm not putting any flaps in or anything.
Now, make sure the runway's made before you start flaps or slips or S-turns. There's 3 ways of getting it down. Flaps, S-turns, slips, and that's the order you probably should use them. Okay?
Alright. Yeah, because we're losing altitude.
Pretty quick here. I think we're turning into a headwind. I'm pretty sure we're going to have a wind off the lake. These conditions. 900 over the trees, so stretch it the best you can. Let's clear the engine. Okay? Alright, helping you out a little bit.
I don't need to turn left.
You're supposed to be clearing the engine.
Alright. I'm going to keep my hand on the throttle, just...
Alright, if you need it, obviously use it. Stretch your best. We miscalculated here a little bit that we're going to make it. Clear the engine. Okay? Just trying to help you.
I got no flaps in.
Right.
So
I think we're going to... And then under over the trees and... Clear the engine.
pull them all in at...
Yeah, you can put them all in the last second.
Uh-huh.
Or you can do a north left landing. Oh, getting slow. That's because you're getting slow. Add a little power. Okay, put the nose down. Get the flaps in. All of them. Dump them. Miscalculated. Yeah, I should have been a little